So over here, I am in the task users view, and over here you can see that I have the task right here along with the resources listed out. And over here you can see the actual cost right here and the actual work. And you can see I enabled overtime work over here as well. And for some of the resources, I assigned overtime. So if you want to go around and then see how much the overtime work actually costs, then you can enable out the overtime cost column over here as well. So to do that, in the add new column section, you need to go around and type in overtime, and you can see that overtime cost is an option. And if you were to choose it, now you can see the total overtime right here. For example, over here for the scriptwriter, I added in 4 hours of overtime, and that is why it is 400 hours extra right here. If I were to go around, change around the scriptwriter right here, so you can see that the storyline writing is there just like this, and this is 4 hours for this one. So if I were to go around and change out the hours, then you can see that it changes out right here. Similarly, you can go around, change out the hours right here. And for each of the overtime hours right here, you can see that it changes out the overall cost as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. Let me just go around and pull that out right here. So I am not actually able to change out the overtime cost right here. That is how everything is maintained in the resource sheet right here. For example, over here for the overtime rate for the scriptwriter is $100 per hour, as you can see right here. And based on that, everything is calculated and it is shown up right here. And that is how you can enable the overtime cost column inside of the task users view inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.